Timor-Leste sira, a cara dirige a fonte especialida com a reconhecimento na responsabilidade. Itabot sira maka herdeiro sira balegado usi balibo 5 na reserve este. Itabot sira nia missão atu buca no haber ali a los, atu promove justiça ali usi informação, nebe fundamental no consolidação itania democracia.
To Timor-Leste journalists, I would like to address a special word of recognition and responsibility. You are the heirs to the legacy of the Balibo 5 and Jornalista. Your mission to seek and disseminate the truth to promote justice through information is fundamental to the consolidation of our democracy.
Labele para o dibuca a los, compromete Itabot na defesa da justiça, no incorruptível, e Itabot sirenia compromisso da informação nebe los. História Timor-Leste nia se hakerek hela, no Itabot sira e a privilégio no responsabilidade a tu resista a geração sira e a futuro.
Be relentless in your pursuit of the truth, uncompromising in your defense of justice, incorruptible in your commitment to accurate reporting. The history of Timor-Leste is still being written, and you have the privilege and responsibility to record it for future generations.
Desafio sirne Itabot sira hasuru ohin lorong, diferente o sira nebe makabalibo 5 hasuru, mas bem lá menos importante. E a mundo idaneho desinformação no manipulação média. Itabot sira nia compromisso balialos factual maka necessário teves.
The challenges you face today are different from those faced by the Balibo 5, but no less important. In a world of disinformation and media manipulation, your commitment to factual truth is more necessary than ever.
Kita tauk ho poder, kita reduz a solução fácil sira, kita rende a tentação sancionalismo sira. Honra sacrifício husi sira nebe mak fo sira nia boris baita nia lelos. O de sai defensor sira nebe comprometido baita lelos.
Do not be intimidated by power. Do not be seduced by easy solutions. Do not give in to the temptation of sensationalism. Honor and sacrifice of those who gave their lives for the truth by being uncompromising defenders of that same truth yourselves.
O sira ne awakara kabadak di, senhora no senhor sira.
To all, I just want to be short, ladies and gentlemen.
Balibo 5 Jornalista la ostimoruang. Mai be sirenia rane be fakar ye ita ne rai. Alusira sai parte be ita ne história ne be ita partilha. Sirena sacrifício balialos. Maka parte ida husir narrativa ita ne independência nia.
The Balibo 5 and Jornalista were not Timorese, but their blood shed on our soil made them part in our shared history. Their sacrifice for the truth is part of the narrative of our independence.
Ohin, bahire te comemora aniversário badala limanulo, usi evento trágico idane. No celebra loro mundial nacional liberdade imprensa nia. Ita a fom sirania compromisso ba valor sirane be, sira fo sirania mores ba liberdade, lialos no justiça.
Today we commemorate the 50th anniversary of this tragic event and celebrate National Press Freedom Day. We renew our commitment to the values for which they gave their lives: freedom, truth, and justice.
Valentile FDTL nura instituição nebe mori susi resistência, no ia serviço ba democracia timoroania. Von honra ba memória ema atembarane sirane nia. No reafirma compromisso a tu defender liberdade de imprensa, no dar valor fundamental para a nação independente.
Volunteer FDTL as an institution born of resistance and serving Timor-Leste democracy honors the memory of these brave men and reaffirms its commitment to defending press freedom as a fundamental value of our independent nation.
Ato jornalista internacional sira ni exemplo, inspira ita ho di hari Timor-Leste ida, ia nebe lia los mana lia boso. Justiça mana impunidade, no liberdade mana opressão.
May the example of international journalists inspire us in building a Timor-Leste where truth prevails over lies justice over impunity, and freedom over oppression.
Ita hanoi sir nebe mate etania rai, ita mos hanoi sir nebe oin loro mate mundo tomal. Maka ita husu maroma karaik bensa ba jornalista Timor-Leste ni mundo tomal.
Acompaña notícia atual no credível. Catalua like, subscribe, no share, website www.tatoli.tl, página Facebook Antil, no YouTube Tatoli IP.